Liv Jenny Bø, Senior Advisor, Nedre Eiker Municipality. Subtitles. In Norway, there's an expectation by the government that all children should have access to digital equipment and use it throughout the learning process. In Nedre Eiker, it was clear to us that if we were going to fulfill that expectation, that it was important that each child had their own device or computer. Windows 10 devices are cost-effective for the school and make it possible to provide the necessary tools for each student, both at school and at home. We need tools that have the ability to grow and change in pace with new developments so that those developments can be integrated into the tools we use. And we have faith that that's what we're getting with Office 365. HILDE STORAUNET, school leader, Solberg Skole. The teachers use co-writing in Word, they use Teams, and they use Staff Notebook in OneNote to share their experiences, collaborate in shared documents, and to make it easier for everyone to use it in the classroom. STEM subjects such as math, science, biology are important for the schools here in Nedre Eiker. Not all teachers are supposed to master all areas within the STEM subjects. EIVIND HANSEN, ICT and STEM teacher, Solberg Skole. Teachers who do not have the knowledge in or the formal education within STEM subjects have great opportunities within the Microsoft platform to gain that knowledge or to collaborate with other teachers outside of this school. Students who aren't necessarily good readers or good writers get to express and showcase their skills in a totally different way with STEM subjects. We also see students that struggle in some areas blossom when they do STEM activities or activities that give them the possibility to explore and wonder in the digital world. What we see when we use digital tools is that it's motivating a lot of students, and for those who struggle a bit, it can be a motivation to see that their work product becomes just as good as others. My advice to teachers who are curious about STEM and would like to begin using it and to become proficient in it is to be curious, explore, ask other teachers who use it, use the technology at hand, and don't be afraid to just jump in. We've experienced that through Microsoft products, from both the point of view of the students and the teachers, we have the tools that are necessary to prepare the children for the 21st century. We don't know what the job market will look like in 20 years when they are entering the workforce, so to know technology, to master technology, to be creative with technology is very important. Kids interview. When I grow up, I want to be a computer engineer. I want to be a hairdresser when I grow up. I want to become a doctor. I want to become a veterinarian. I want to be a game reviewer when I grow up, because then I can play games. I love to play games like Minecraft. I think it's really fun. Microsoft Showcase Schools, aka.ms/msft-edu-STEM.